What's up, gentlemen? So your body, my body, our bodies are amazing, but even amazing bodies have some issues. Some are embarrassing, some are a little bit annoying that we got to deal with. Today, guys, I'm going to go over the most common ones and how you can fix these unfortunate body situations. The first problem we're going to talk about, gentlemen, is a patchy beard. One of the most annoying things if you're a dude that wants to grow a badass beard. Now, the truth is, a lot of times as we age, we will start to fill in, right? It's all about testosterone. As you become a more mature dude, that beard becomes big, bold, and beautiful. But in the meantime, a few things you could do is let it grow for 30 days. Do not shave. Every day, twice a day, I want you brushing your beard with some type of boar's bristle brush. The whole idea is that when you brush, not only are you going to be able to train those hairs to cover some of the thinner areas, brushing also helps to stimulate blood flow to those hair follicles, stimulating the hair follicle growth. Something else you could possibly try if you're seriously worried or concerned about it is Rogaine. The same stuff you put on your hair to help prevent or regrow hair, you can actually use it on your face. But understand this, that is not the approved and appropriate way and method for using Rogaine. But a lot of guys have been reporting incredibly significant growth by daily use of Rogaine on their face. Technically, the active ingredient is minoxidil, but the brand name is Rogaine. But any minoxidil product will do. Since we're talking about hair, gentlemen, we got to talk about the second annoying problem, and that is hair loss. All right, so I'm not going to go into like all the products or the solutions, but the bottom line is this: if you are somebody that is experiencing thinning or hair loss, the worst thing you can do is to let your hair grow super long. You want to keep it shorter. All right, the longer the thin hair gets, the thinner it actually looks. Now, in terms of slowing, stopping, and reversing it, guys, there are definitely products out there on the market that you have heard me talk about a gazillion times. All right, the truth is, if you're somebody that wants to stop it, you can, but you've got to take action and do it. Speaking of doing it, the third thing you got to do, gentlemen, is fix those dark circles or bags, because not only do they make you look old, they make you look tired, they make you look rough. And so one thing I'd like to tell you guys, if you have dark circles or bags under your eyes, you got to figure out why. Is it because of allergies, or is it that you just are predisposed to a darker pigmentation under the eye? But it also could be a sign of you getting shitty sleep. Gentlemen, it's critical for your overall well-being and your health to make sure that you are making sleep a priority. If you're not getting enough sleep, guys, not only are you not going to feel good, you're going to start to look like absolute dog shit, because that's what happens. Guys, sleep, it's critical. Something that you may not realize actually affects the quality of slumber that you get is actually your gut health, which brings me to the fourth thing that we got to fix: belching, bloating, indigestion. It is not normal to have gas and bloating and belching and indigestion. Gut health, gentlemen, it is all about the importance of your microbiome, all right? Microbiome inside our gut. We've got over 38 trillion, not like billion, trillion different strains of bacteria rocking and rolling, or I should say we should have 38 trillion. Unfortunately, a lot of people do not, because of some of the lifestyle choices they make, their diet, not to mention antibiotics. The thing that I do that you should do every single day, guys, is take a pre and probiotic. I personally have been taking Seed DS1 Daily Symbiotic now for the past 3 months. This is the best product I have ever used. So this is the DS1 Daily Symbiotic, a pre and probiotic, a proprietary formulation which contains 24 clinically and scientifically studied broad spectrum strains to support systemic health. Guys, Seed's DS1 Daily Symbiotic is a whole body experience because it supports the ease of bloating and healthy regularity, but it also supports heart health and smooth, clear skin. So if Seed's DS1 Daily Symbiotic sounds familiar, it's because I've talked about it a few times, but Derek from More Plates, More Dates, he absolutely loves this product, and there are a bunch of reasons why. Honestly, they're the same reasons I do, all right? Some of those reasons are the double capsule design. What Seed has done has pretty much figured out how to effectively get the pre and probiotic to where it needs to go, which is your gut, right? As opposed to what a lot of cheap pre and probiotics do when you take them, because they only have a single capsule design, your stomach acid annihilates them and kills them way before they actually get to where they need to go, which is your gut. Every day, guys, the Seed DS1 Daily Symbiotic is something simple and easy that each and every one of you can do to help support your microbiome, which is going to help and support your overall well-being and health in a bunch of different amazing areas. Guys, the way that it works is a link down below this video, seed.com/alpha-m. Go through that special link and use the code ALPHA-M to get 15% off your first month. Month number 1, you're going to get the Seed DS1 Daily Symbiotic in the super sexy glass jar. You're also gonna get the super sexy glass travel bottle, right? That when you're traveling, boom, you pop some seed in here and you can take it on the road, because it's important not to miss it. For you to get the maximum effectiveness of the pre and probiotic, guys, it's something you have to do on a consistent basis. And then month number 2, you're gonna get a refill of the seed. You just dump it back in that super sexy glass seed jar. Guys, if you are ready to do something amazing for your body and your microbiome, hit the link down below. Go to seed.com/alpha-M. Make sure to use the code alpha-M to get 15% off your first month of the Daily Symbiotic by Seed. Guys, this product is amazing. It's not just my opinion. It's not just Derek's opinion. Everybody who has been using this has been loving it, and I know that you guys are going to love it too. Hit the link down below. Get started today, because your microbiome deserves to be better. Next thing we got to talk about, gentlemen, is horrible halitosis, all right? So bad breath can be a cause of a bunch of different things, all right? It could be post-nasal drip. All that funky, nasty, like mucus and stuff that's dripping back behind the stuff, right? It actually makes your breath smell horrible. Something else that makes your breath smell horrible is a dry mouth. Dry mouth is one of the leading causes of horrible halitosis. Now, how are you gonna fix it? Of course, stay well hydrated. A lot of you guys are dehydrated and you have no idea, all right? It's critical every single day to drink at least 1 gallon of water a day to make sure that your body has what it needs to be healthy, hydrated, look and feel amazing. Something else that causes your bad breath, gentlemen, is horrible oral hygiene. Every 6 months, you should be going to the dentist to get a cleaning, make sure that your gums are healthy, and every day, twice a day, you should be brushing, flossing, and using mouthwash. The next annoying and embarrassing problem is man boobs love handles, right? If you're somebody that is rocking a serious set of man boobs or a dad bod, like, gentlemen, here's the deal. It's time for you to get it under control. But now, if you don't understand, man, it's hard. It does not as easy, gentlemen. I get it. I understand. I actually was the owner of a set of man boobs and some love handles, not to mention a fat ass a few years ago, right? I moved in with my wife. She loves to cook. I love to eat. I got sloppy ass fat. I looked in the mirror one day. I'm like, yo, what are you doing? Get your shit together. Gentlemen, get yo shit together. It's not complicated. Eat better. Work out. That's it. 2 things. Do it. The next annoying and embarrassing and unsightly thing are flakes, right? 2 types: hair, chin. There are 2 ways you're gonna fix it. The hair, there's only one solution that I found. Head and Shoulders sucks balls. Selsun Blue is horrible, but there are active ingredients called coal tar in certain shampoos that are amazing. And honestly, it's the only thing that I have found that absolutely has annihilated my dandruff. Beard dandruff, beard flakes. How are you gonna fix it, gentlemen? Little beard oil. Ready? 1, 2, 3, right? Just like that. Beard oil not only is gonna help condition the hairs, it goes down if you rub it good enough to the chin and actually helps condition the chin. Now, a few other things I'd like to give you. If you are somebody, which should be, which we'll talk about in a second, using a moisturizer, you also need to make sure that not only you moisturize the skin, you also moisturize your beard. And since we're talking about skin, guys, we got to talk about the next annoying thing, which is blackheads, blemishes, breakouts, and nasty skin. The quickest and easiest way to fix an effed up face, gentlemen, whether or not it's extra oily, it's blemishy, it's wrinkly, it's crusty, it's nasty, you got a bunch of crap in your face, ew! Exactly, right? Is take better care of it. Nasty, funky nails, all right? Whether or not it's your hands or your feet. If you've got thick, crusty, green, yellow, funky, discolored nails, you gotta fix it. There's honestly nothing nastier than when you look down at somebody and they've got like nasty, yellow, thick toenails, right? Unfortunately, it's very common. How are you gonna fix it? There are a few different ways, all right? Oral medication is going to help treat it. Go to your doctor, tell him, yo, doc, I got a problem with my tootsies, right? And he's gonna probably prescribe you something over the counter or a prescription, something else. There are ointments and lotions on there, a lot of antifungal creams you could try, and lasers, actually, like laser therapy has been shown to be incredibly effective in treating thick, crusty, nasty, yellow, or green nails. Guys, something else that a lot of dudes face, a huge problem, is sweaty, stinky, musky nuts, and swamp ass. It's a hot, meaty man mess down your pants. You got all sorts of stuff packed in there. Unless you're using a high quality powder, gentlemen, in the front, up the booty, little bit every single day, you are a hot, stinky, man musky mess, which is definitely not sexy. And guys, don't forget to check out Seed DS1 Daily Symbiotic. There's a special link down below. Make sure to use the code ALPHA-M to get 15% off your first month of Seed's DS1 Daily Symbiotic.